In this video, we are going to create the sprite sheet of our game hero. To put simply, sprite sheets are image files which contain animation frames. I have already gathered animation frames in this folder. Let's start the process by opening a file using Gimp. Then we can drag and drop rest of the files. I am going to select all the layers holding down Shift key. Then remove the transparent space around layers, clicking Crop the Content from the Layer menu. Now we can align the layers to the bottom left of the canvas. Let's increase the canvas size to include all layers. Now we can crop the canvas to exact frame size. Before we export layers, we need to make sure all of them are the same size, which is the size of the image. To fix that, we are going to select Layer menu, then Layer to Image Size. Now we can export each layer as PNG files, preserving transparency. To do that, first shift-click eye symbol of each layer, then select Export as from File menu and save the file. Repeat this process for each layer. After saving all the files, we should check the frame dimensions to ensure all of them have the same size. Checking the dimensions column of Details view. If there is no problem with the dimensions, we can create a new image to serve as a sprite sheet. First, let's calculate width and height values of the sprite sheet. We have at most 4 frames for each type of animation, so we are going to multiply width value by 4. And we have 7 types of animations, so we need to multiply height value by 7. This image should not have a background. Now, I am going to drag and drop each animation on the sprite sheet one by one. The order of animations is not important, so the vertical arrangement doesn't matter. But we should order each frames by their number. So, the horizontal arrangement is important. After placing frames to their approximate location, we need to align the frames precisely using Alignment tool. You can switch to Alignment tool by pressing Q on your keyboard. Aligning first column first. Then we are going to align second row, since those lines are the only full ones. So they are going to be bases for the rest of the alignment process. Only first row remained. Now the sprite sheet is ready to be exported and to be used in Flutter.